how to add full width background video on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a full width section with a background video of your website. So the process is going to be very easy. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account and head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to select our website, click on go to. Once we have did that also, we are going to wait for a few seconds, as you can see, and we are going to choose website, click pages, and here we have the page. Now, what we're going to do is to click on the edit mode, click on edit. Now, I am going to add a section. This section should be blank. Why? Because it is going to contain a background video. It doesn't mean that you're going to be obliged to add a blank section. You can also add this type of section, for example, like this one, which is going to contain some blocks, and then maybe you're going to change the background of it. And also, I'm going to add a blank section. So I'm going to do the demonstration on both. What I'm going to do now is to click on edit section for the wanted section to be a background video. Click on background, select video and add a video. I'm not going to upload because I do not currently have a video, but I'm going to choose from the library. Oh, I think that I have got something not going on here. So I'm going to upload a video. I think that I was wrong. I have a screen record video. We're going to wait for that. As you can see here, video to upload. We have a minimum, or not a minimum, but a max of 30 minutes for the video storage. So as you can see, you're going to have 30 minutes and you're going to have the background with, for example, full bleed or inset. We're going to make it as a full bleed. You can add some filters, for example, as a blurry, brightness filter, contrast, invert, etc. Also, you can go ahead and adjust the playback speed of it. And the mobile fallback image is going to be an option in case that the video doesn't work on the mobile. It is going to be something like that. So it is going to take a little bit of time to proceed all of the video data. So we are going to wait for it, and we're going to be back whenever it is going to be done. So here, as you can see, I have added finally the video. It is going to have the full width of the screen, and it is going to be something like that. And this is the video itself. So now I'm going to be back to the section that I have added before, which is going to be a section that contains a little bit of blocks like image block, this text block, and also this part of the text, and it is going to be something like that. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.